Herzlich willkommen zu diesem Video. Wir haben hier die wundervolle Lari Basilio sitzen und ich werde es so ein bisschen übersetzen, weil sie spricht Englisch mit mir, kann leider kein Deutsch und werden das Interview in Englisch machen und ich werde so ein bisschen dazwischen übersetzen und zusammenfassen. Okay, Lari, very nice to meet here at Guitar Summit with me. I really love your music and I've seen you before on John Petrucci's workshop and I think you were on some other one, but I can't really remember. I was always like really fascinated what you do when you play with your fingers on the guitar, and that would be my question, if you could show something like this.
Sure.
But before, what are your plans at the moment? What are you doing?
I've just been on the road so much, traveling and playing, doing guitar clinics and playing with my trio. So this is my second time here in Europe this year only, so it's been so much fun. I'm having a blast on the road.
Also sie tourt gerade und findet es ganz super und ich habe sie gefragt nach dem Spiel mit den Fingern auf ihrer Gitarre, weil sie das also ohne Plektrum, ne? Und da hat sie einen ganz besonderen Stil entwickelt und das, guck mal, dass sie das jetzt zeigt. Any new plans for a new album or something?
Yes, always writing. I'm always writing new songs and I have, at the moment I'm writing for a new album, so I can't wait to share new music with all of you. So I hope I can have some news on this very soon.
Also sie schreibt gerade an einem neuen Album und es wird bald Neuigkeiten dazu geben. Okay, now to the subject of the playing.
Right.
I remember at John Petrucci's workshop, I asked you something, and you played something which was like a little John Mayer style with one finger, and I was totally fascinated by it, but I can't remember how it got. It's in some of your song. Do you know what I mean, maybe?
That's specific.
Like a little neon style, but your version, your thing. It was in some of your more popular songs.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna remember.
So it was not the simple finger picking thing. It was like something like this.
Like this, maybe. I'm not sure if I'm gonna remember.
But maybe you can come up with something.
Yeah, I mean, because I love playing with finger as well. I mean, I play with the pick a lot, and I actually do a lot of the transition between playing with the guitar with the guitar pick to the finger. So I only use these 3 fingers when I'm finger picking. So I do this movement to cut. I actually do this movement to slide the guitar pick, so I can go from pick to my fingers during a song.
And this looks very fast. Also sie hat gerade gesagt, sie spielt sehr oft Sachen auch mit den Fingern, aber auch sehr oft mit dem Pick, deswegen muss sie ständig wechseln und dabei nimmt sie praktisch das Pick in diese 2 Finger, also in den Ring- und kleinen Finger und das geht super schnell, was ich gerade hier vor meinen Augen gesehen habe, so zack und schon ist es drin. Okay, can you play an example?
Sure. So only using these 3 fingers, that way I can hold the guitar pick with my ring finger.
Nice, but that was exactly what I meant.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, was this? Okay. So yeah. This is a little piece of one of my songs. It's a very old song, actually. It's part of my first EP. It's called Música Tele. So there's a lot of things going on, not only playing with the fingers, but controlling a lot of dynamics, like palm muting and using, the ghost notes to bring a little bit more rhythm. So all of this together makes a difference.
So this, when I see it up close, it makes sense now that I couldn't play stuff like that because I think that your movement you're doing is coming from here and not from the finger. So you like, and it's like a slap and pop from the bass.
A little bit, yeah, a little bit. I don't pull the strings that much, but I mean, I try to be very subtle, but I can be like, I can hit harder if I want, but definitely will change a lot the dynamics and also the tone of what I'm playing. So everything for me, my choice always gonna be based on the tone that I want to achieve. So
Also sie sagt, dass es immer, das Wichtigste ist immer der Ton, den sie damit erzeugen, also der Sound, was rüberkommt. Und die Technik ist ja dabei eigentlich nicht so wichtig. Sie nimmt alles, was sie kriegen kann mit der Technik und was halt funktioniert, funktioniert. Und was ich halt gesagt habe, ist, dass ich sehe, dass sie nicht mit dem Finger die Bewegung macht, also nicht aus dem Finger, sondern eher komplett aus dem Handgelenk, wie so ein Bassist, der slappt und poppt. Ja, also slap und pop. Und dass eher so diese, vor allem der erste Finger, especially the first finger, is like a stiff, and you're moving the wrist.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
The whole
And that's
hand.
exactly
yeah.
the technique I wanted you, because everybody, like the Germans are mostly classical, a
Right.
lot of classical educated people,
right.
and they know this just moving the fingers, but this wrist
The
thing is
movement.
totally
Exactly.
not existent.
Oh, it's different, yeah. And I think it helps like with the rhythmic to bring more like this percussive thing to the guitar as well. So yeah.
Also das bringt mehr ein perkussives Element rein. Also der erste Finger ist praktisch steif und das Ganze kommt aus dem Handgelenk und gibt so ein tak, tak, tak. Do you have a very little exercise for beginners who want to try that technique?
Yeah, I mean, you can try to apply. You can try to apply like some ghost notes to really anything. Maybe some simple like power chord like this. So. Very simple things, and you can, playing around with this just to get used to the movement.
Nice. Yeah, that's exactly what I meant. That's what you showed me in
in
Florida was, right? Yeah. So hot there.
Yes, it was.
So I will put links of your website, music,
Awesome.
whatever you like, in the description. Also ich mache Links für euch von Laris Sachen in die Beschreibung und ich würde euch wirklich empfehlen, das mal anzuhören, was sie da hat an Alben. Und wenn sie irgendwo in der Nähe spielt, ihr müsst hingehen. If you play something near, just told people they have to go there.
I would love to see you guys there, and of course, I hope to come back to Germany many, many times. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for having me on your channel.
Thank you. It was
Pleasure.
a pleasure. Okay, und euch vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen. Denkt dran, den Daumen nach oben oder zweimal Daumen nach unten, wenn es euch nicht gefallen hat. Und vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen euch und abonnieren und Glöckchen drücken nicht vergessen. Ich bin ein bisschen starstruck. I'm starstruck, sorry. Okay, vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen, macht's gut und ciao.
Danke.